This 5-minute solution will show you how to recover Netflix account username and password on iPhone. So if you're trying to sign into your Netflix account but you forgot your Netflix account username and password, follow these easy steps to recover them easily. The first method is open your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on passwords, and here search for Netflix. Tap on Netflix, and here you will get your Netflix account username and password. From here you can copy your credential and you can use them to sign into your Netflix account. The second method is open your Google Chrome browser or Gmail app. Then tap on your Google account. Again tap on your Google account. Tap on your Google account once more. Tap on manage your Google account. Here select security. Scroll down. Tap on password manager. And here scroll down and search for netflix.com. Tap on it. Now verify your Google account. And that's it. Now here you'll get your Netflix account username and password. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.